Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the foot pedal on your trash compactor, first depress the old pedal if still intact and pull the container drawer assembly forward. Now remove the 2/4-inch hex head screws securing the foot pedal and pull the old pedal off. Install the new foot pedal by aligning it on the container drawer assembly rails. Then replace the screws to secure. With the new pedal installed, push the container drawer back into place and test the pedal to confirm it works properly.